If you want to use your AirPods while gaming on a Windows PC, you are in the right place because AirPods can work with Windows computers through Bluetooth, allowing you to enjoy wireless audio while playing your favorite games. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your AirPods to a Windows PC and optimize them for gaming. Now, before connecting your AirPods, make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your computer. So on Windows 11, click the Start menu and open the Settings. And then select Bluetooth and Devices from the left sidebar and make sure the Bluetooth toggle is turned on. On Windows 10, open Settings, click Devices, then select Bluetooth and other devices and enable Bluetooth. If your PC doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, you'll need a USB Bluetooth adapter. And then you need to put your AirPods into pairing mode. Next, place your AirPods inside the charging case and leave the lid open. Locate the setup button on the back of the AirPods case. Press and hold this button until the status light starts flashing white. This indicates that your AirPods are ready to pair with a new device. Now, you need to add your AirPods to Windows. You need to return to your Windows Bluetooth settings. Click Add Device or Add Bluetooth Device, then select Bluetooth from the available options. After a few moments, your AirPods should appear in the list of available devices. Click on your AirPods name and wait for Windows to complete the pairing process. Once connected, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that your AirPods are ready to use. And then you need to set the AirPods as your default audio device. To make sure audio plays through your AirPods, you'll need to set them as the default playback device. Now, all I have to do is simply right-click the speaker icon in the taskbar and select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your AirPods from the list of available audio devices. You can also click More Sound Settings and set your AirPods as the default playback device for all applications, and then disable the hands-free audio profile. For gaming audio quality, it's recommended to disable the hands-free telephony mode. Open Control Panel, select Devices and Printers, then locate your AirPods. Right-click your AirPods and choose Properties and navigate to the Services tab and uncheck hands-free telephony if available. This helps Windows use higher quality stereo audio profile instead of the lower quality headset profile. And of course, finally, you need to test audio in your game. Launch your favorite game and verify that sound is playing through your AirPods. If audio is still coming from your speakers, return to the sound settings and then confirm that your AirPods are selected as both the output and default audio device. Now, if in case your AirPods don't appear during pairing, place them back in the charging case and try pairing mode again. Or if you want, you can also turn Bluetooth off and back on Windows, restart your PC and remove the AirPods from previously connected device and reconnect them. Now, if you experience audio lag, move closer to your PC. Disconnect unused Bluetooth devices, update your Bluetooth drivers through the Windows Update or your PC manufacturer's website. Remember, connecting AirPods to a Windows PC for gaming is a simple process that only takes a few minutes. Once paired, you can enjoy wireless game audio without needing additional software. For the best gaming experience, remember to use the stereo audio profile and keep your Bluetooth drivers updated. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.